Here's our 2 tortoises. Here's our new one, right here. That's Rojo. He's our cherry head. This is the one everybody's familiar with if you follow the channel. Melon, our redfoot. Decided to give them a little lunch today. As you can see, their favorite is still anything red. So this go around, it's strawberries. They'll eventually get to the blackberries. Then they'll get to their lettuce sometime. Hours, days, I don't know. It's their least favorite, even though that's probably the best thing for them. But they both have sweet tooths or beaks or whatever you want to call it. Rojo's doing good. Melon's still great as usual. Her face is really gross right now. But they're getting along really well. No fighting, no banging into each other, no... Oh, bless you! I guess that's what happens when you get strawberry in your nose. But they're both eating really well. Rojo's really switched over to the fruit and greens. He really likes those. I think that before we got him, he may have been on like a tortoise pellet diet, which is not ideal for the redfoots. So we got him switched over to a better diet, a lot more greens, a lot more fruits. So they're doing great. He seems to have acclimated really well. He loves his cabin, loves to lay under the bananas. Oh, I think he might be full. He's not nearly as active as she is. She's a lot more active. The redfoots supposedly are a lot more active from what we've read. The cherry head's a little more, you know, he sleeps in later. He gets his fill a lot quicker. He's gonna go probably lay down someplace and chill for the rest of the day. And she'll mill around the enclosure and check us out if we're in the backyard, see what we're doing. But there's the update. Bye, say bye, Rojo. Bye, Rojo. And there's Melon, our 2 tortoises. Don't forget, like, comment. We love your questions, love your comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Thanks for watching.